Coughing, sneezing, and hiccups are all involuntary actions. The cough reflex is stimulated by dust entering the air passages of the lungs. With the glottis fully open, deep inspiration occurs. The glottis then closes. The lungs contract, compressing the air. As the glottis opens, the air is released, producing a cough. Sneezing is triggered by irritation of the nasal lining. The actions of the lungs and glottis are the same, but the tongue blocks off the back of the mouth as air is violently ejected through the nose.